Hey guys, welcome to Heartdeco Wonders. Today I'm showing you how to use our automatic steamer. The steamer comes with a variety of different accessories like this long bristle brush, lint brush, a measuring cup for your water, a water tank fitting, and a water tank. You can easily use it on different fabrics such as silk, cotton, chiffon, or any other fabrics you can think of for your jersey, your shirts, your pants, or even sometimes your luggage. It's quick and easy to assemble within a few simple steps. Open it up, put in your water tank, put in your desired brush, and if you feel like using another one, it's quick and easy to remove and replace with different brushes, just like that. At the bottom of the water tank, you can flip open this enclosure and then add your water in this hole to refill. Make sure that it is tightly closed so your water doesn't spill out, and then you can continue steaming. When your water tank has been filled right to the top, it will enable you to steam for about 16 minutes, making it absolutely great for long steaming. It boasts a 1600 watt power, making it super strong, and it includes a hair dryer 2-pin plug. So make sure to take along a specific 2-pin plug when using this. It's amazing. It's perfect for travel purposes. You simply click over here and then fold it in half, making it really small to travel with, perfect to put in your bag, and won't take up much space. It has two different options when steaming. You can either just press it like this, or if you want continuous steaming, switch it down and then you can continue. Okay guys, so that is how to use our automatic steamer, available online at www.heartdeco.co.za. Please like, subscribe, and follow us for more.